It's a modified French. It's kind of like down in Louisiana where they have Cajun French, which is also modified. All right, we got another. I'm going to stand clear of this. All right. That's war. War has been declared. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. Frank, aren't you glad you're not getting bombed with water balloons? All right.
Mr. Announcer.
Yes.
Well, I think we have a problem down here at 484. We have an unauthorized person here attempting to gain access to my aircraft.
I can't understand what he said. What's he saying?
I just want to learn how to fly. This man promised he'd teach me how to fly.
Okay, well, we'll have somebody to teach you to fly. The Black Baron will teach you to fly.
No, I'm sorry. You're going to have to go somewhere else. You cannot learn to fly my airplane today.
And that,
I can teach you how to fly.
that's
You look a little young to be teaching me anything.
I may be short, but I can fly. That's my plane over there.
Which one? The little one? The smallest one? That's yours?
Unfortunate.
Oh, okay.
I'm thinking I might steal that one.
I don't think you can steal that. That's not right.
Watch me.
Okay.
We'll see.
Chuck
That's
Tippett
featuring
ready.
the bombshell,
John
otherwise known as
Weyrich
Claire
ready.
Schindler, who
Dave
just got
Conn
her type rating
ready.
in the
Keith
747,
Firmin
ladies and gentlemen.
ready. Frank Isbel ready. Rick Conn
Awesome.
ready.
737.
Baron, what are you doing?
737 pilot down here is Rick Conn, retired now from American Airlines, starting up a Continental
Gentlemen,
220
start
horsepower
your
engine. Clear
engines.
prop. That one started up down there. There goes Frank. Keith Firmin, lead pilot, chief pilot for American Airlines. 106. Dave Conn, 737 pilot. American Airlines. Clear prop. Retired 787 pilot, John Weyrich. Chuck Tippett flying the number 8 Waco. John King's airplane. This is the way it looked all across America during the war. Here come the soaked Black Barons. Yes. The airplane is smoking. It's too young. You can't smoke. They're young to smoke. Yes, how do we do the smoke? Okay, that is a light oil injected on the hot exhaust pipe, and you'll see that during the air show. The airplane up in the air right now has that system. The number 484 and the 106 also have that. We're going to take off in 2 formations of 3 airplanes apiece, and then we're going to form that up into a giant formation of 6 ships. Nice thing about today, the light overcast is blocking the hot sun and makes it easier to see. What we're doing now is checking our magnetos. They provide the spark for the engines, just like your lawnmower. If you don't think that's a lot of spark, you go out and hold on to the spark plug wire of your lawnmower and give it a crank and see what it feels like. It's a lot of spark. 2 magnetos per engine, you check them both. Check your oil pressure, check your oil temperature. And we're going to take off in formation. About a 2,500 foot runway. That's runway 04, slightly northeast. Runway 22 southwest to the left. So here we go, revving them up. Make a video. Now you saw Frank leap out in front. That's because he has that Lycoming 300 horsepower engine, variable pitch propeller. 3 identical engines here, so the performance is the same. Now you saw that airplane closest to you bobble it a little bit. Now that is because of the wake turbulence or prop wash.